Welcome everyone to another one of my snappy videos. I'll try to keep these short and sweet and to the point. Today I want to show you how you can claim your Uniswap tokens, which are called Uni. So what this is if you had used the Uniswap protocol in the past, they've just released a governance token which they airdropped to all past users who had interacted with Uniswap. And it is extremely simple to claim, and I'm just going to show you how to do that. I am on the Uniswap site. At the moment, I've intentionally connected to a wallet, a blank wallet, because I want to show you how simple, if you connect up the right wallet, how you get notified and how simple it is. So I'm just going to pick my MetaMask, and I'm going to change my account. As you can see, as soon as I have changed my account, instantly Uniswap has told me that I have some Uni ready to claim. Everyone, if they've just done some trading, would have gotten 400. If you'd provided liquidity, you would have been backdated. I'd provided a tiny bit of liquidity, so I have a bit more, 28 more. So you can click on the tab, and if this were to disappear, just here, it's disappeared, claim Uni. There we go. And I can claim it. Again, it will ask me to pay gas. I shall confirm it. Now, we can sit here waiting. You can see it's given you to view transaction. If you click on this, it'll open a new window, and it will give you a bit of a timeline. So see, at the moment, because I did not change the gas, I was in no hurry. It's between 6 to 10 minutes. So what I'll do, oh, there you go. I processed it much quicker, even better. And that's it. That's claimed, and you can see that I already have the 400. In fact, if I look in my wallet, it will show up. And here, let's see, by just looking in the Uniswap list, I have my 400, which I could choose to sell, which I got for just using the protocol, which is fantastic. Thank you, Uniswap. If you have any questions, please ask away in the comments, but otherwise, thanks for watching another crypto setups tutorial.